So, is it in the trunk, you said?
Yeah, it's inside the trunk. I just put my bag inside and then I find
This is the new style. We're doing a TikTok video. You don't mind, right? Okay, let it stop. Okay, this was very noisy.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So,
you need the ID or the vehicle license?
both.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect.
And how can I pay?
Credit, cash, kidney, liver,
I can pay with credit.
credit card.
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly. Don't get nervous.
Okay.
Okay. Do it upstairs. I have no reception here.
Oh, okay, okay.
You can type your phone number and send the receipt for yourself.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a good one.